doing? So here we are, day 19 already. Now yesterday I threw a new chord at you. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over that chord and we're going to go over the same exercise we did yesterday to really sort of start getting this idea about what bars are, changing our chords between 3 different chords now, and just, you know, just knuckle down on it today a little bit. Here we go. So B7, there's the chord box. Your fingers got to be up, very much up on your fingertips. Pluck it from the 5th string down. If you want, add your pinky in. But if you don't, if that is just killing you, don't do it. All right, you don't have to do that right now. We'll accept a slightly unfull version of B7 because let's face it, it's only week 3 of playing guitar. All right, that's what we're going for. So have a couple, just check through the notes. Have a little, let your right hand warm up a little bit. So we're going to look at our chord pattern. There it is. And we're going to play this at 3 different speeds. We're going to play it through twice each time. Start very slow, then a kind of medium, and then a fast speed. Okay, so this is like a mini chord workout. Are you ready? So super slow, E, that's E major. If it was E minor, I'd write EM next to it. So E major, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 2, 3. Get ready for A sus. 1, 2. Let's start moving to B7. Here it is. 2, 3, 4. Back to E. Now we're right back to the beginning. Same speed. 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you're keeping up with this speed, you're doing really well. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we're just going a little bit faster now. Just going to just the same thing 2 times through, just a little bit quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Next chord and 1, 2, 3. Next one. 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. And again. 1, 2, 3. Move it along. 2. Now don't worry if you're not getting this perfect. Just try your best just to keep up. 2, 3, 4. Alright, last speed, a little bit faster than that. And like I was saying, you might, when you strum the chord, it might not sound right. You might not have got your fingers fully down. Don't worry. What I want you to do is just have an attempt and try and get on beat 1. Try and play on beat 1, even if the chord sounds terrible and you fluff it. If you hit the beat on time, that's more important than anything. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, A. 2, 3, B7. 2, 3, 4, E major. 2 from the top. 1, 2, 3, A7. A sus, sorry. 3, 4, B7. 2, 3, last chord. 2, 3, 4. Well done. If you want to go through that all again, if you're enjoying that, just do all that again. Okay, if not, let's move on. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to do a little game, and it's just going to reinforce rhythm and timing for you. Okay, so we're going to imagine we're drummers. Okay, because let's face it, we all just want to be drummers, really. And so we're just going to do a little beat on our knees with our feet. It goes like this. So the first thing to do is I want you to tap your foot on beat 1 and then count out another 3 slow beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, tap on 1, 3. Got that? That's part 1. Easy so far. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to, with your right hand, you're going to tap on your knee and you're going to tap all 4 beats. So you got to play your foot on beat 1 and your hand on your knee on all 4 beats. So it'll be like this. It'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, and you got that? So together on beat 1, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Is that okay? Is that comfortable? Hope you're counting out loud. 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Now I've got one more thing we've got to do. Your left hand is going to tap your other knee on beat number 3. So with that, it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the whole thing. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and foot. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it? This might be really hard, it might be really easy, I really don't know. 2, 3, 4, and stop. Let's do that same thing, but double the speed. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you do that? Now you're a drummer. Well done. Okay, so what we're going to do to finish, I'm going to show you a whole new song using the notes that you know, and it's probably the most famous song in the world. Here you go. I'm going to, I'll play it for you first, and you kind of just watch and listen. You definitely know it, and then I'll show you the music. Alright, I'm sure you've heard that before. Now, while we're playing it, full focus, guys. Full focus on using the correct fingers on the correct frets, using nice rest strokes in the strumming hand, and just having fun with it. Here it is. So have a good old read through it, so you can sort of think about where your fingers are going to go before you have to do it. So pause now if you want to just really analyse that and have a good look at the music. So I just wanted to point out that when you can, there's about halfway through, there's a line above the word birth, and that's just to show you that's the high G. All the other reds, you're playing low G. So this is another one where we start after 3. It's another song that leads into the beat. 1, 2, 3. Alright, I'll just leave you with that. You can practice that a couple more times, or if you want to, maybe more important is to practice the B7. Just get really familiar with that new chord and practice maybe some changes if you want to do a little bit more. If you had enough, fine, I'll just see you tomorrow. Okay?